There are a lot of rendering software that can help designers and architects bring their models and designs to life, thus better experiencing their ideas. Two of these special software in the field of rendering are Lumion and Eyecad VR. They have various features and tools that can help you get things done professionally. And this video will point out their features and help you choose the one that is gonna suit your needs better. Lumion is an architectural rendering software that can help you translate your projects into real-life visible experiences. It allows anyone to build a 3D environment and then create beautiful images, impressive video presentations, and live walkthroughs. It was launched in 2010, and from that time forward, it became a popular tool in this field. Likewise, since then, Lumion has grown to include hundreds of thousands of users worldwide, and it is still releasing new versions to prove that it is the quickest way to pick up 3D model and create a scene in a matter of minutes. On the other hand, Eyecad VR is relatively a new visualization software powered by real-time rendering technology. In 2016, the Digital Atom SRL team released the first version of Eyecad VR and introduced it as a simple and intuitive architectural visualization software. It allows you to create fantastic, interactive VR scenes for you and your customers. It was created to do image rendering, video rendering, and interactive experiences for architecture and design. Creating and populating scenes. Lumion is a tool created for rendering only. That is why 3D objects have to be imported from another 3D modeling software, but the great thing is you can use Lumion's rich and large library that contains many architectural assets and various ranges of objects such as plants, animals, cars, external furniture, interior decoration, and even some natural components such as fire, water, trees, and so on. These objects and assets can be changed in size, color, and materials according to the project's needs. Moreover, it provides ready-to-use frames and landscape assets to include in the model or the design. Things such as a realistic sea, a sky, landscape, or even sand and desert. These scenes can be modified by adding mountains, lakes, and slabs to integrate the project on the site. In Eyecad VR, you can import high-quality objects from the library, manage lighting sources, and all the other aspects of visualization. Once the design is imported, the project assets can be textured using 500 plus customizable PBR materials. Once the project has been textured, Eyecad's powerful rendering tools can help you create realistic renders in form of videos or images. In addition to that, it is also possible to simulate all the seasons and weather conditions. Rendering and animation. Lumion has become way better, and its developers made noticeable progress regarding the render quality. Throughout the different versions and updates that have been released over the years, the render's quality in Lumion became better, especially for the interior rendering part. For designers, Lumion provides a series of customizable picture resolutions predefined by the software. It also provides a wide range of interior and exterior rendering effects like realistic image effects, light effects, wind effects, rain effects, night effects, in addition to other effects as well. As a designer, you can also control the sun's direction, the time of the day, and the season of the year before rendering. Even the amount of clouds in the sky is adjustable in Lumion. Render speed and picture delivery in Lumion can take less than a minute, and animation can take minutes, few hours, and sometimes more depending on the computer's hardware and the video's length and resolution. Panoramic pictures mode is available too in Lumion, and it is usually used in urban projects. As for animation, it will need almost the same configuration of image rendering. The only difference is that the user defines the different scenes and places they want to highlight during the animation. When it comes to Eyecad VR, its basic version is known as Start. Using it, you can import your design or project, apply VR interactions and functions with components and materials and the material editor itself. It is also possible to share work with clients on desktop and mobile as well. The software allows designers to create high-quality renders instantly, in addition to creating natural or artificial landscapes through the landscape creation tool. Also, you can create video animations rendered in real time, in addition to panoramic 360 tours. Besides, there are world map features, and applying the robust terrain editor helps you create natural environments such as water, rivers, ponds, lakes, hills, mountains, and so on. Freedom and flexibility. Lumion provides multiple settings and features to make the workflow simpler for users. Before you start rendering, you have various settings and parameters to adjust. For instance, the quality and the resolution make the software work smoothly and increase its speed, especially if you will work on a big or heavy project. You can also enhance the quality of the trees and vegetation, increase rendering to a great high quality to preview images before rendering, in addition to turning the sound and full screen mode on. Lumion comes with multiple settings for the sun, clouds, time of the day, and any effects to images before rendering. Image resolution offers 4 settings by default, where you get to choose it directly. On the other hand, Eyecad VR has a catalog of 3D models of furniture, natural assets, people, and cars, in addition to others. These assets can be configured and animated with simple settings within the software. In Eyecad VR, the Settings tab allows you to enable VR in real-time rendering. You can also edit the weather conditions in addition to the day and night cycles. Moreover, you can specify the format of the file in case of exporting. Thanks to its ready-to-use 3D resources, Eyecad VR is extremely fast when it comes to creating full scene starting from simple 3D project models. The user interface. Thanks to its simplified and intuitive user interface, Lumion is accessible to everyone. You can work on your rendering projects by yourself simply and quickly. It does not have that many tools that may make the process hard. Each group of tools is linked together, which makes the work easy and organized. On the other hand, Eyecad VR user interface is divided into 15 tabs or working areas organized by functions, in addition to 3 kinds of project visualization styles. These tabs are simple and user-friendly. They allow the user to edit, add objects imported from the outside, and the objects inside the Eyecad VR 3D library, add materials, add light sources, configure the environment and landscape, add visual effects, and give them access to many other features. The tools are very friendly, and any beginner can manage to use them easily. Industries that use Lumion and Eyecad VR. Right now, Lumion is one of the most important go-to 3D rendering tools that architects and designers are taking advantage of because it is a multi-purpose and easy-to-use visualization technology that empowers creativity. And that's just what Lumion sets out to do. Eyecad VR is mainly made for CAD and BIM designers, in addition to architects, interior designers, and hobbyists. The learning curve. Both Lumion and Eyecad VR are considered easy to use and learn. Lumion is a simple software and any beginner can use it easily. The tools are organized in a clear way to guarantee a better experience. There aren't difficult or complicated settings to adjust and everything is intuitive and easy to find. Therefore, it is both easy for beginners and professionals. When it comes to Eyecad VR, it was born as a modern software without the old, hard-to-understand CAD software style that has been driving the field of design and modeling for a long time, especially in architecture and design 3D software. Hardware and operating systems. Lumion is a powerful software. We can know this just by looking at the quality of the renderers and the features it offers. That's why it requires a high-performing computer with 2 graphic cards and strong memory. And it would be better if it is a desktop computer with good ventilation system to preserve the processor and the graphics cards from overheating. When it comes to operation systems, Lumion is available only on Windows. On the other hand, Eyecad VR is available for both Windows and Mac, and it actually was born with Windows 10, but it works well with Windows 7 and 8 as well. However, it does not guarantee the compatibility with all the Eyecad VR plugins. When it comes to hardware, it would be better if you have a computer with dedicated graphics cards to use the software. High-end laptops are very good with Eyecad VR, but using a desktop computer is always a better option. The important thing here is that you have to have a strong CPU and a good graphic card that can help you to work properly and smoothly. Pricing and licensing. Eyecad VR does not have a free version, but it does offer a free trial. The start version costs €169 and Eyecad VR Pro costs €339 as a one-time payment. When it comes to Lumion, the latest version costs €1,499 per year when it comes to the basic version, and €3,000 for Lumion Pro. This can be pretty expensive compared to Eyecad VR, as it is not affordable for hobbyists and young architects and designers. Lumion also comes with a free trial for 14 days to test the software. Final thoughts. Both programs can create beautiful renders. Still, the process of using Eyecad VR is much smoother, and its real-time rendering capabilities that uses the VR technology makes it a great option. However, Lumion is still very famous, In addition to being a powerful software that offers a great customization and high levels of control and freedom. Also, when comparing the quality of the ongoing product support, reviewers felt that Lumion is the preferred option. In addition to that, when it comes to pricing, Eyecad VR is much more affordable for beginners and people who don't have a lot of money. But at the end of the day, you will have to choose the one that is gonna suit your needs better. I hope you found this video useful and informative. If you have something to add, you can add it in the comment section below. Also, you can check some of our previous videos. Thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next one.